From the edge of Kiribati, where tradition meets the future. This is Zeus 39.
Kabonako Taai, awa baweru, na makai na titeota, areti anoria. Na bona kimaku, na bona kimaroa, boya kamwaye, karina ni mataroana. She opened the door, no locks, no fear. Let me trace her skies, every star so near. Beauty like sunrise, warm on my skin. She said, you're the one, come deeper within. Now I move with a rhythm, paint with her grace. Every curve a canvas, every breath a place. She trusts me fully, no need to pretend. I'm honored, I'm grateful, she let me in. Mante kakang irianare kenano anganai nanone tanyirai raoi. I saw her glow like the moon in the tide. Try to ride with her vibe, stand by her side, but she moves like a comet, no tether, no chain. Independent flame dancing through rain. Kabonako Taai, awa baweru, na makai na titeota, areti anoria. Offer my beat, but she walks to her own, no need to repeat. She's a one-woman show, no crew, no assist. Every move self-made, no help on a list. By the grace in the lane, she's the pilot, the engine, the wings on her plane. I tried to connect, but she's wide to roam, building her kingdom all on her own.